Got the baddest bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now. Let my bitch off the purse, she get 100 rounds. 100 rounds, hold me down.
So y'all, we are doing a Halloween look while still giving nice side part action, nice baby hairs, of course. And we got a little bit of silver in here, so I'm gonna show y'all my little techniques of how I did that as well. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. Alright y'all, so we got the peekaboo look going right here. Of course, when I move my head, you're gonna see it more. So let's just pull one of these. It pokes out more than others. And then sometimes it's completely hidden, so I like it. That's exactly how I wanted it actually. So I tried to make it as long as the hair is. And I'm not gonna lie, I could just technically put it a little lower, which is what I might wind up doing, to be completely honest, because I don't know if y'all could tell, I don't want this to show. That's very ugly. So I'm gonna put it a little bit lower and then we're gonna just see how it comes out. Alright, so I did add it lower. It's still not right there, but it's close enough. Hopefully the peekaboo color works. Like I said, I didn't want too much going on, but it's doing just enough, and I like that. So once I fully install this wig, then I'm gonna add a piece on this side, more closer to the top right here, and I'm gonna do the same right here somewhere in this bang area, and then I'm gonna just like layer it so it can match, and then everything will be able to fit right in. So Alright y'all, so this is the final look. As y'all see, I got my little silver pieces in the back. I do have to actually add them to the front, but I just want y'all to see how nice and sleek this side part is already without the extra pieces. If if you like this video, because y'all know I'm already running late as always. If you like this video, make sure you leave a like, comment, and let me know your thoughts, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from Mwah. And I will see you in my next video. Happy Halloween, y'all.
So don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now.